Too bad, man. You're too bad, man.
Can I go to the movies with Brittany?
Yeah. Okay.
Make sure say you not let nobody in. Make sure say you not answer your house phone. If anybody asks where me there in your bed asleep.
In the bed, sleep. Got it. You're too bad, man. You're too bad, man. You're too bad, man. You're too bad, man. Weird. Them no love me like me love you.
Mom,
Brittany's having a sleepover after the movies.
can I please go over to Brittany for the sleepover?
Yeah.
Enjoy yourself, go.
Alright. Weird. Them no love you. Wait there.
No, you take it too far. Me there in a good mood, yes? But don't get me dark, girl. Turn in the yard. You not have to go out there and sleep on nobody's yard. Me not run them joke there. Me not care if me over the moon with joy. Me not idiot. I gonna left my good bed to go sleep on girl floor. You think say me an idiot? Even if me halfway or 65% idiot, me not 100% idiot. Turn in the yard. Sleeping at your own bed. Not trust nobody with my picnic. They love people yard too much. A matter of fact, you're not going movies neither. Wrap it up. Wrap all that up right now. No movies and no sleepover. You're not going anywhere. Turn in your bed.
Weird. They no love me like me love you. Ah.